Hello, everyone. Welcome to yet another episode of Easy-Peasy Literary Theory video podcasts. Today's topic is Hot and Cool Media by Marshall McLuhan. You might know that Marshall McLuhan is a Canadian philosopher and media theorist. It is in the book Understanding Media, the Extensions of Man, that McLuhan talked about hot and cool media. Now, did you know this is a 1964 book? According to McLuhan, all media have their own characteristics, and this decides audience participation. That means how much an audience will participate in the media, how much they will interpret, and how they will comprehend the media. That is decided by whether the media is hot or cool. Now, what is hot media? Hot media is high definition. High definition means too hot. High definition. So, minimal participation from the audience. Minimal interpretation. Audience is just consuming that media. So, these media are high density media such as photographs or movies or radio. Got it? And remember, easy way to remember is it's too hot. We can't approach it. It leaves the audience passive and unaffected. That is hot media. Audience can't go near. What is cool media? That is different. Cool media encourages more participation and interpretation of the audience. Cool media, you can approach it because it is cool. That is a way to remember. And cool media are lower density, lower definition, such as maybe conversation or seminars. Cool. Will you remember? That's easy to remember. Now, guys, cool media do not supply a definite message. There is no definite message in cool media. So I hope you like this discussion, and let our videos be cool so that there'll be more audience participation. Okay? Thank you very much. I'll be back with more. Bye-bye.